Hello guys, Befio is back with another exciting tutorial. In this video, we would like to help you with using the Space Journey asset inside Unity3D, fast and efficiently. Now, we've split this video into three categories: art walkthrough, plugins explanation, and how to build a map using Space Journey elements. Listen carefully and enjoy. Let's download Space Journey from the asset store. Here it is. Quick and easy. Over 50% of the whole production time we dedicated to this asset has been spent on the design process. Atmosphere, colors, and the overall quality of the graphic art, movement, light, shapes, all of these elements were of the most importance to us. We started with spaceships. We created 5 of them, each with a completely individual look. Each spaceship has been carefully crafted with custom-made engine plasma, engine particles, and Spaceship Controller plugin. Next, we made 23 unique Sci-Fi models, created to add the whole scene a more epic look and feel. Perfect for large-scale background objects, breathtaking structures that fill your scene with life. As you can see, we're using them in almost every scene. Also, all of these models are using a standard shader, so you can easily change basic parameters. Going further, we also created 16 really useful asteroid meshes and 9 asteroid volumes, including nebulas, space sparks, speed spark lines. All these particles have been created to give your space more depth, and this good balance most of us are looking for. To make it even better, each particle component is fully customizable with Shuriken system. Asteroid volumes are just a perfect tool for creating any kind of asteroid-related simulation. Last, let me show you the planets. We set you up with 22 unique animated planets, as well as with custom-made animations of planets, moons, rings, and asteroids around them. Each of these planets is fully customizable. As you can see, we animated all the planets using the Unity3D animation system. Just drag and drop a ready-made prefab into your scene, and you are ready to go. Space Journey is not only about beautiful art. We are also happy to present you with a few really useful plugins. You can find each of them described in detail in the attached documentation regarding variables, functions, and useful tips. We created 7 plugins, starting with the most advanced and useful Spaceship Controller plugin, which you can see right now on the screen. This plugin allows you to set up your spaceship with some really smooth and natural flight in space options. Define your input mode between mouse and keyboard. Set your angle, define your speed, change the smoothing parameters. We also really paid attention to make the code efficient, easy to understand, and well described. It was optimized to work quickly and without delays. Always remember to correctly set up the input names, like you can see in the video. If you're starting a new project, remember to define correct names in Unity Input Manager, or just replace your Unity Project Settings Input Manager with the ones that we're using. Please check out our specification guide. You can read there about all functions, parameters, and all settings. The next useful plugin is the Engine Plasma plugin. It allows you to control particle emitter and lens flares in hyperspace mode using the Shift key. Set your final target value between add and multiply if you want to get more brightness or emission. The next plugin is the simple and really useful Color Suite. As you can see, you can change color temperature, tint, between green and purple, saturation, and of course, RGB curves. Another cool plugin is the horizontal Skybox shader. It allows you to control the overall lighting of your scene using Skybox. In particular, it lets you control Skybox with top color, horizon color, bottom color smoothness, and blending between the layers I just mentioned. Hyperspace Particles plugins creates for you a really nice effect of particles, visible while flying your spaceship. Remember that it needs to be attached to the Unity Shuriken Particles system to work. Use the prefab that is called Particle Follow and set values like in this example. You can also change scale range of lines and smoothness while rotating. The sixth plugin we made is called Digital and Analog Glitch. It allows you to distort your screen with the use of cool glitches. As you can see in the video, you can change scanline jitter, vertical jump, horizontal shake, and color drift. Last, we prepared the custom Crosshair plugin, which replaces your standard cursor with a custom one. How cool and easy is that? In this last section of the video, let me show you how to build your own map using Space Journey elements. Now, let's add a ready-made spaceship with Flight Controller. Of course, if you spend more time than I can in this video, without boring you guys to death, you can easily create much better and bigger maps. This one here took me only about 20 minutes. Just so you know, it's not time-consuming at all. Remember to set up Unity3D built-in fog correctly. Match your fog color with camera background color. As you can see, I turned off all image effects to not affect the final fog color. When it's already matched, just turn the image effects back on. I'm going to add this background sci-fi element to give this scene a more epic look. Adding some asteroids and space dust. And now let's add a few planets. I really like these ones. Cool. You can add even more sci-fi elements, as many as you like. Finally, a few more ships, and we're done. And now the best part of it all, if you're a programmer, you can easily add things such as enemies plugins, shooting, and others that will allow you to quickly turn this easy-to-build scene into a proper game. Okay guys, we're almost at the finish line. To round it all up, I will now quickly show you a WebGL web player demo, which you can play by yourself on your browser. It shows some scenes which you can get with Space Journey. Hope you like them. And now we're really done. That's all, folks. Thank you for listening, and see you next time. Befio team.